Hey, it's me, Natsu Nat. Welcome to my channel, Glam Slam Nails. If you're new, my name's Natsu out doing nails reviews, hauls, anything and everything to do with nails. So this is a TEMU haul, and yeah, the first thing I'll show you is this, which I've stained. It was just a small little mat that I thought, you know, that's quite handy, that, you know, stop the light deflecting and everything. So I got that, and I also got this. Woohoo! That is this is my favourite thing. They're quite long, these as well. They go like at least a third of your desk if you've got a standard desk size. So yeah, so I got that and this, and I also got a T-shirt that had some writing on saying nail enthusiast or something like that. I can't remember what it says. I've got it on now, but I can't remember what it read. And I got a T-shirt as well. I don't know. I was just feeling a bit. Let's get a few things. So I'll take that off now because I can. I thought I'll use it for when I'm using like things that might get marks and stuff on this. It's not really. Anyway, I digress. So I also got another mould, which is this one, and this one has. Actually, it's got. I think it's got. I'm pretty sure this is the one. It's got like fish bones and paw marks and cats and things like that, but I think it's got some characters on this one. I can't quite see. Maybe if I use the mat, you know, you really can't see. So, but I'm sure this one is the one with some characters on it, you know, like Disney characters. But anyway, it's got a dog there, a couple of dogs on it. You can see there, dog there, dog there, dog there. Anyway, we'll give that a go. So I got that. I got, what's this? This is a chrome powder. It's like it's got, I know it's silver, but it's got like a pink hue to it. So it's a bit hollow. We'll see how that works out. Seems alright. I'm not going to get it out now, but you can see what I mean. And I got this little, this is a little magnet. Why did I do that? Why did I just do this? I had curry the other night. My nails have gone yellow a bit yellowish. No, maybe not. Right, this is doing my head in. But it's a real tiny magnet. This, it's like it's better. It's got, you know, it's like got like just one square on this loop. So I think it's supposed to make like, anyway, we'll try it. We'll see what it does. Like that little magnet. Guys, put all this in the recycling. Oh, something's just come out my ear. I got this one, and I got one in pink as well. Aren't they nice, them? Can you see it? They're like leopard ones in blue and pink. They're really pretty, really cute. And that's got gold, but that's got like a pink on it, and that's got a gold on it. Really nice. Got two of them. I haven't seen them before. I also got these. These are roses. But I don't know if I'm going to use this. But I certainly know a person who probably will. So we'll see about these. But they're all different colours. They've got like, I don't know what, you know, that colour, like a tan colour, I suppose. Pink. They've got black ones, bits of red in. Got like a white with a bit of pink in, but they've no white. Well, don't matter, I suppose. I do like the black though. I do like them. They look different. Yeah, you got them. And the funny thing is, I have a mould that has roses on, so you could in theory just make your own if you wanted. So I'll look at those. I'll have a go with those. I got, now this is another one of these brushes, because I quite like these. I haven't really done much on, you know, filmed a video using them, but I have used them when I've been practicing doing nail art or whatever. But I think this one, this is a Kalinsky water brush, but it's going to be really quite well, I'll show you this other one. This one. And I have used this on nails and it's worked really well. And they're probably for some sort of acrylic, I would think, but I haven't used them for that. I've been using it like with gels and stuff. So I'm going to try this one. And the bristles, I don't know if it is Kolinsky, I don't know. But I'm going to try it because I think on a really fine stuff, not fine, you know, like if you want to, well, I'll show you when I use it, what I'm trying to explain. But I really do like that. I don't know what this is for at the bottom. Oh, I see. Does it go long? Oh no, that's just the lid, isn't it? I thought, oh, it goes longer, but that's just the lid. I suppose you're gonna. Oh, maybe it's not. Actually, I don't know what that was. What's that for then? I'll have to look at this because I could have sworn it was just. I have no idea. That's weird. That's come off the, unless it's just something that's come off the bottom of it, I don't know. But I don't think it's a lid. And it doesn't have a lid. I don't know. Let me know if you've got one of these brushes. You might wait a minute, because that, wait a minute. That does screw on. Oh yeah, it does. Yeah, that is a lid for it. Yeah. You're just going to have to be very careful, I suppose, that you don't bend the blushes. You know, the bristles back. Well, it's a nice brush, that. But again, what could you use it for? Could you use it for acrylic? Could you use it? I'm going to try it with just gel polish. See what I can paint with it. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Let me know what you think of this mat as well. If you think it's too much. Gosh, there's loads of... And it shows you on the back of this. I'm just trying to work that out. And there's loads of different ones, look. Tells you as well, flowers, art, liner. Yeah, French. So it's definitely an art brush, this. Flower, that's what it says there. It says flower, and I think that's the one. That's what this one is. I think this is the flower one, to draw flowers. But we'll practice with it. We'll see how it goes. I should really keep that, shouldn't I? So I know which ones I've got. Yeah, I will. I'll keep that. Because I'm definitely going to get some more. Next thing is, oh, I got these. These are really cute. Some little bows. Again, I do have a mould, so you can get a mould and make your own if you wanted to. But I just wanted to have a look at these ones. The thing with these is, if you look at these bows, the different colours and things, like that one there, this is the one that I liked. I'll show you if I can fish it out. I'll try and fish it out. No, it's not on there. It's not on that one. It's not that one. I saw it and I thought, oh, that's cool. It's got like a print, a leopard print on it, on the bow. And I thought, that is cute. That is really cute. It's on one of them. It's on a couple of them actually, there and there. So I like that. So I got them. I got this stamping plate. Is, I think it's one of the newer ones from TEMU, but we'll see. It does have a number on this one, if I remember rightly. Because I couldn't remember what the other number was on the last one, or I couldn't see it. But we will have a look. I'm sure there's one on. Yes. Oh gosh, it's in Chinese again. Right, let me see. It just says a serial number again. Cute Pet Cat it is. It's Cute Pet Cat. Stamping plate. I can't tell, again, put cute pet cat stamping plate, and this should come up. Because I haven't got a number for it. There's no number on. Well, there is, but it's in Chinese. It's there. So maybe if I lift it right up, and well, you can't really see it, can you? But it is. It's all cat plate, cat midges. Really cute. Not one I've really seen before. Oh, hang on, what number is that? No, that's some writing. No. So there's that. But like I say, if you put cute cat plate, stamping plate, I'm sure this will come up. Yeah. That. And I also got these. These are plant and flower foils, and they are nice. Now, I got it for these because these look really pretty. Actually, I'll get one of these out because they're really, really lovely to look at. Look at them. Aren't they nice? Because again, it's not something I've seen a lot of, but they are really, really nice. And the full foils as well, these ones at the top. But some of them, they have some writing on. I don't know what it says. Could say anything. But it's so nice. You're not going, it's not great big pieces, so you're not going to get loads. But yeah, it's nice. It's a nice foil, that. I think you'll get a nice set with that, personally. Do you know what? I bet that'd go with the with that. Yeah, it would. And the flowers as well, actually. Yeah. I must have been on one. Must have been on must have been on one thinking, oh yeah, that'll match with that. And the others are just floral ones, which, I have quite a few floral ones. Yeah, so I got that. And finally, I got some tips. These are just, what size are these now? I can't remember. I think they're medium coffee. Maybe. I'll just get one out of the box. I like these boxes though. How many's in this? I think these were like really, really, what's the word? Why am I saying really a lot? I think these were fairly cheap. I think they might have been in sale. It don't say how many there is. I'm sure these were in the sale, these tips. But they're nice because they're frosted. Let's just get one out. I think they might be 500. They're not very big though. They're really small. Well, that's questionable, innit? Oh, they are. Let's have a look. They are big. I'll pick wrong size. I thought they were quite small, these, but they're not. Because I think I've mentioned I've got a friend who's got really small. Yeah, these are big. These are big. But I suppose what you could do. Oh, that's why I got them. Because they have a line where you can cut them to if you want them shorter or longer. That's why I got the, yeah, you can see the line on it there. Yeah. So if you want them longer, I have big thumbs, so you could have it to there. And also gives you a guideline to file around it. I think that's quite good, that. And that's my, that is my TEMU haul. That's what I got from TEMU. Not just a few things. Oh, and I think I showed you this, didn't I? This Glam Slam nail thing. It was in another in the other video. Just thought, oh yeah, that might be nice for putting the nail tips on and displaying them, that kind of thing. Not displaying them, but taking pictures and things for your Instagram. So yeah, that was it. So let me know what you think, guys. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribe and join the Glam Slam farm. And yeah, and like I say, I've still got the little box of goodies that I'm adding to, because this one that I'm going to send to America, I want to make sure it's worthwhile going, so there's quite a few bits in, because like I say, it's not easy to get stuff from the UK to America and vice versa, because postage is a bit expensive, isn't it, at the moment? But we shall endeavour to have a go with these. And yeah, I hope come back again. And I think I said in my last video, if you've watched it, if anybody has seen those, that like a top coat thing that goes into like droplets, rain droplets of watermarks. I don't mean this. I've got one of these, and I've got a Vinyls one as well. I mean the actual, it's clear, and when you put it over the top of like a gel polish or something like that, it sort of forms itself into a water droplets, that kind of thing. If you've seen that, you know where I can get it from. If you could leave me a comment, I'd be very grateful, because I've tried to find it and I can't. Hope you come back again. Hope you like the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.